Hi, and welcome to this episode of On the Money. With the recent interest rate cut, you're probably thinking about your home loan. If you're considering a fixed rate to lock in a better deal, it's worth being aware these strategies work less than 50% of the time. New research shows over the last 20 years, borrowers have done better by riding the variable rate roller coaster. So, what's best for you? Fixed rates offer security, but for flexibility, variable rates might be a better option. Ultimately, it centres on your financial circumstances, and we're here to help work out your best option. The fringe benefit tax rate increased on April 1st. Until March 31st, 2017, the FBT rate will be increased to 49%, after which it will revert to 47%. To avoid costly mistakes with your FBT returns, book your appointment with us today. With interest rates and the Aussie dollar down and a number of fresh free trade agreements in place, many small businesses are looking at overseas opportunities. But where do you start? The Export Council of Australia can give you the tools if you're considering broadening your financial horizons. In the end, growth overseas comes from establishing contacts and trust, and building long-term deals. Each year on April 1st, private health insurance premiums rise. Not all health insurance policies are created equal, and it can pay to shop around. If you've been with your insurer a while, think about what's changed since you joined. Have your children aged out of your cover? Have your health requirements changed? Reassessing your health insurance can be a great way to reduce expenses, so it's worth checking whether your current policy is your best option. The ATO has begun gathering current and deferred tax working papers that form the basis of tax notes within published financial statements. The working papers allow the ATO to identify and act on potential issues early and create more efficient ways of interacting with taxpayers. If you've been asked to produce working papers for a pre-lodgement compliance review, please let us know. Australians' combined super savings have grown significantly over the past 20 years, from less than $250 billion to $1.6 trillion in 2015, and over the next 2 decades it's expected to quadruple. But it's not going to happen by accident. Yes, government rules can change and investing can be tricky, but by taking advantage of low tax benefits, pumping in extra money where possible, and of course asking us for help when you're uncertain, you can add more to your own share of the nest egg. When assessing your business's super options, be aware of the illegal inducements some banks are offering. New research suggests banks have been offering employers discounts on business banking, insurance products, and even iPads to win management of their company's super contribution. While it's legal to compete for default super fund opportunities, it's illegal to offer inducements. Plus, the inducements often offer short-term benefits for you, but not long-term benefits for your business or your employees. That wraps up this episode of On the Money. If you'd like further information about these or other accounting issues, we welcome your call or email. See you next time.